Now class, we will watch a short video together. In this video, you'll see the step-by-step process of writing code to make our 7-segment display show the numbers 0, 1, and 2. As you follow along, pay attention to which segments turn on for each number. Afterwards, you'll try the steps yourself so you can encode these numbers into your own display. To wire the 7-segment display to the Arduino, begin by connecting the GND pin of the Arduino board to the common cathode pin of the display. This establishes a shared ground for all segments. Next, connect each segment of the display to its corresponding Arduino digital pin, making sure that each segment passes through a 220 ohm resistor to limit current and protect both the LED segments and the Arduino. Specifically, connect segment A to pin 2, segment B to pin 3, segment C to pin 4, segment D to pin 5, segment E to pin 6, segment F to pin 7, and segment G to pin 8. With these connections in place, each segment of the display can be safely controlled through the Arduino program. This part of the code assigns labels to the Arduino pins that control each segment of the 7-segment display. For example, #define_a2 tells the program that segment A is connected to digital pin 2. The same is done for the other segments: B to pin 3, C to pin 4, D to pin 5, E to pin 6, F to pin 7, and G to pin 8. We use #define instead of declaring variables with a data type because #define is a preprocessor directive. It directly replaces the label with the pin number before the program is compiled. This makes the code more efficient since no memory is used to store these values, unlike variables which occupy space in the Arduino's limited memory. It also makes the program easier to read and maintain, since we can work with meaningful names like A, B, C instead of remembering pin numbers. The setup function is where we prepare the Arduino pins before the program runs. In this code, each line like pin mode, A, output, tells the Arduino that the pin controlling a specific segment, for example, A, will be used to send voltage to the display, not to read input. By setting all segments, AG, as output, we ensure the Arduino can turn each LED on or off to form numbers on the 7-segment display. This step is essential because the Arduino needs to know which pins will provide power to control the display. The loop function is where the Arduino continuously runs the code to control the display. In this program, the functions 0, 1, and 2 are called one after the other, each representing the segments that need to light up to display the numbers 0, 1, and 2. After displaying each number, the delay 1000 command pauses the program for 1000 milliseconds, or 1 second, so the number stays visible on the display before moving to the next one. This creates a simple sequence where the 7-segment display cycles through the numbers 0, 1, and 2 repeatedly. The 0 function controls which segments of the 7-segment display light up to form the number 0. In this function, digital write, A, high, through digital write, F, high, turn on segments A to F, while digital write, G, low, keeps segment G off. By lighting up all segments except G, the display forms the shape of the number 0. This function allows the Arduino to show 0 whenever 0 is called in the loop function. The 1 function lights up the segments needed to display the number 1 on the 7-segment display. In this function, only segments B and C are turned on with digital write, B, high, and digital write, C, high, while all the other segments, A, D, E, F, G, are kept off with digital write, low. By lighting just these two segments, the display forms the shape of the number 1. This function allows the Arduino to show 1 whenever 1 is called in the loop function. The 2 function controls which segments of the 7-segment display light up to form the number 2. In this function, segments A, B, D, E, and G are turned on using digital write, high, while segments C and F are kept off with digital write, low. By lighting these specific segments, the display forms the shape of the number 2. This function allows the Arduino to show 2 whenever 2 is called in the loop function, completing the sequence of numbers 0, 1, and 2. It should work like this. Now that you have successfully coded the display for numbers 0, 1, and 2, it's your turn to continue the sequence. Follow the same method we used for 0, 1, and 2, to write functions for the numbers 3 through 9. Make sure to turn on the correct segments for each number using digital write, high, and turn off the others with digital write, low. Test each number on your 7-segment display as you go, so you can see your code working in real time. While testing, use the snipping tool or any screen recording tool to capture your display output and upload the video.